Do you want to make instant $27 commissions over and over again? If so, check out the automated Cash App system. Link below. So, a UK woman who refuses to wear a mask gets escorted off an airplane. So on the way off the airplane, she decides to cough, whether it be fake or real. She decides to cough on some other passengers. Take a look at this.
You get life. Everybody dies. You know that. Everybody dies. If it's corona or not, everybody dies.
Look, this gotta stop. This gotta stop. All right, first of all I could think about after watching that was, what if I was on that plane, right? What if I was on that plane, what's going on right now, and I'm sitting there chilling, minding my business, waiting for the plane to take off, right? I'm waiting, and then I hear a little ruckus in the back. I hear a lady, making some ruckus, talking about wearing a mask. First of all, I would have noticed that she didn't have a mask on when she walked on the plane. So I would have already been irritated anyway. But just imagine I'm sitting there chilling, pissed about her not wearing a mask. But then I hear this commotion in the back. I'm looking around. I see this lady, they pulling her off the plane, they're making her leave. Imagine she walked by me and she goes, you know what I mean? Oh, listen, I ain't gonna lie. I would have got escorted off that plane too. Okay? I would have had to get escorted off that plane too. Right? Matter of fact, we both would have been off because I would have been attached to her. Like when you ever see when animals attack? Oh my God. I just was thinking, like, are you serious? Because especially, what if she did have the virus? Right? What if she was asymptomatic? She trying to be funny, right? She trying to be funny, fake coughing all over people. I would have caught the germs, threw it back in her face, and then attacked. That's what I would have did. I would have caught the cough, throw it back at her, because I don't want to inhale that. Throw it back at her, get up, and attack. That's what I would have done. Point blank, period. Listen. Then, but the highlight of the video is, if you take another look and you listen to what she's saying. People die. Everybody gonna die anyway. People gonna die. Everybody die. Okay. You don't gotta keep reminding people. But maybe people don't want to die because of your stupidity. Maybe people don't want to die from a virus that nobody knows about because you don't want to wear a little mask to cover your stank breath. Right? You don't want to wear a mask to cover your stank breath, right? And potentially protect other people just in case you asymptomatic or you ain't asymptomatic, you just straight up sick. Whatever the case is, people that don't wear masks are just dumb. You're making it way more than what it is because everybody know it ain't a big deal to cover your mouth. Nobody's saying that you got to get it surgically sewed onto your face and you got to walk around with it for the rest of your life. It ain't that big of a deal. But that lady in UK who had a fit because she'd rather get thrown off a plane. She'd rather actually miss her flight than actually put on a little mask to cover her dumb face, right? People are just stupid.
I let the chain hang, yeah, I'm tattered up, and I love to cuss, I just don't give a. See, I'm just doing me, and you should do you. Yeah, I hear you talking, that's just your point of view. And see, I just don't care, I be like, yeah, I done heard it all, damn, there's haters everywhere, and they keep me motivated.